Hello everyone, I'm Neil here, and today I'm going to give you a short summary about the story, or you can say short story, The Three Questions. This is a short story written by a Russian author, Leo Tolstoy, and he is famous for the work. Means in his work mostly you have seen the faith in God, and that is related to related to God and his belief in a God. This is the the base of his story. And the story The Three Questions is published in 1885, and it is as a part of collection What Men Live By and Other Tell. This is a collection of the short stories. The name is What Man Live By and Other Tells. In the collection of the stories, one of the story, The Three Questions, that is written by Leo Tolstoy. So in this story, there was a king, and there was a certain king who believed that he would fail if he did not know what is the right time for every action and who is the right person to be with. And the third question that aroused in his mind, what was the most important thing to do. He announced the things in his kingdom to give any person who can give the answer of the three questions. He would give the great reward to the person who can give the answer of three questions. He tried a lot, and a lot of learned person went in in kingdom, or in his palace, you can say. Everyone tried to give his answer of the three questions that is asked by the king, but the king didn't satisfy by the answers. Learned people told that the answer of the first question is that the king should manage the timetable and try to follow the timetable and do accordingly of the timetable. And for the answer of the second question, people believe that the right people like a priest, and a doctor, different views the people, a lot learned people give to the king. And the answer of the third question, what is the most important thing to do, the learned persons are told, the important thing is to do according to scientific way everything. But the king didn't satisfied by the answers that is given by the different learned person in his kingdom. Then the king decided to consult a wise hermit. Hermit means sage. He saw the hermit. Being a king, he can't go there in a royal dresses and all. So he changed his dress and being a common man, and left behind his soldiers and all the royalty of the king, and went to the hermit palace. And the hermit was there digging the ground out of the passion, and he did it for the and when the king saw the hermit, uh, praised the hermit, and tried to help the hermit, and he kept on asking the three questions to the hermit, but the hermit also kept silent, didn't answer to the king until the hours passed. It's already sunset, from morning to evening, you can say. The king tried to get the answer from the hermit, but hermit was continued silent. The hermit saw uh, was a beard man running on a hand on his stomach, and he was a wound, and a continued bleeding from his stomach, and he was almost to dying. The hermit told the king about it, that they should help the beard man. The man is coming from somewhere else. And by this way, the king served the beard man and tried to help him. By his handkerchief, he cleaned his wounds, and when the beard man felt thirsty, the king gave the beard man water. The king gave the beard man water. Mind it, the king, who is always have their servant around him. And being tired, the king slept near on the ground, And the next day, when the king woke up, the beardman saw him and asked him apologies. The beardman admitted that he was enemy of the king. The beardman said that he heard about the king going to the hermit, so he tried to kill him when he was in his way back home, but he failed. And the soldiers of the king injured the beardman. The beardman also told the king that he wants to kill the king because the king killed his brother and grabbed or and taken away all the property of his brother. So when the king listened all the things, he felt pity on the beardman, and and he told to the beard man that I am ready to return you all property that I have taken from your brother. And the king here forgive the beard man. Finally, the king asked again to the hermit once again the answer of his three questions. Now he answered. The hermit told, now means the present time is the time to do every action, because now is the only time that we have power. मीन्स हमें जो करना है आज और अभी करना है. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एंड द सेकेंड, who is the right person to whom we can with. Then here the hermit told the answer of the second question. The right person is who are with you. मीन्स आप जिसके साथ हैं, दिस इज द राइट पर्सन, वो राइट पर्सन, एंड यू शुड बिलीव ऑन दैट पर्सन एंड यू शुड ट्राई टू be with that person. And the answer of the third question, the king gave, the most important thing to do is to do good for the person with whom you are. Means आप जिसके साथ हो उसके साथ हमेशा अच्छा करने की सोचो और अच्छा करो. दिस इज द थिंग दैट यू शुड डू. So by this way, the hermit gave the answer of the all three questions. And if you give the review, or if you want to sort summary of the discussion or review of the answer, first answer of now, it means when the king met the beard man, this is a duty to a good person to serve him, to help the person. And the answer of the second, the right person with you are, means anybody who is with you, just try to help the person. And third answer, the most important thing, to do good, means as the king helped the beard man, and so that's why the beard man tried to apologize from the king. And this is the way that the king deal. And the enmity that was between the beard man and king is spoiled, or you can say the finished. And this is the all summary of the three questions are asked. Oh, so thank you all. If any doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.